What's going on, guys? Today I am so thankful I can finally do this. I am so excited. Let's get started. Today we're going to introduce my E38, my 2000 BMW 740i. As you can probably see behind me, I originally bought this car off my brother after a little accident he had in it, and I think I only paid 700 bucks for the car, and so far I put almost 2 grand into it. You can't see it obviously because everything's stored inside the car. It's got some rust in the corners. They're on the door there with the rust. As you get up here, not looking too bad. Nice clear light. I'm gonna change that out. It's got halos on the inside. Those are actually xenon HID headlights. So it's got the water sprayer still. And now we get to the ugly. So I originally bought this car off my brother because, as I said, he got into an accident with it and hit a pole coming around a corner. And basically what that did was it smashed the whole panel here. I've gone to a local pickup pole. I got the hood, I got a fender. I picked up a headlight, ended up with the wrong one. Found this guy in locally that had it, but check this out. It's got a BMW V8. It's an M62TU engine. As you can see here, I can't really connect that, so it's in there just to try it out. One of the new parts I got. I need new rad support. That's coming in. As we get over here, this is where the damage is. This whole strut support is gone from the wheel housing this way. So is the wheel housing. He also took out some electrical here. I have that a replacement. Frankly, he missed the oil filter and the power steering reservoir, which is awesome because this all can be replaced. And I have replacement parts that are just located in the vehicle. As here, I need to find trim, I need to find a light still. The piece that's skirted down at the bottom is sitting in the car currently. I'm probably gonna heat warp that back, trim, and then down here, jacking accident. I don't know who did it. The car has been broken in 3 times since I put it in this lot. But let's open the door here. As you can see, she's a little full. She's a lot of work. I got some toe straps and everything. She's a little dirty. There's a new front bumper in there. New rad support. As you get over here, you can see part of the rocker skirt. More wheels and tires. Get to the back seat here. We have a wheel housing liner, and these are originally off 2008 3 Series BMW. The front ones are R17 225 45s, and the backs are R17 255 45s, which is kind of beefy, but that's what's on it for the snow tires. And as you can see here, more garbage. You got an old warped kidney grill. Probably have to pick one of those up. It's not really too exciting. So I'll show you what's in the trunk. Woo. So here we are. So in the headlight set I bought with a new light control module, which is already in the car, I got another headlight. As you can see there, there's one I picked up from Pick and Pull. It's not a xenon, it's just a regular halogen, really dirty. And here's one of the other side indicators. Not sure if I want to run clear ones or the semi-clear ones. They look older, but we'll see. And here you got your rad support. There's a wheelhouse back in there with the old bumper, skateboard. So this is the keep so it doesn't leak into the trunk, because this has been warped. I don't know how it got warped at all. I guess shit happens, but the best thing is this tail light is a quick release. It's not supposed to be. So the first time that I brought the car here, a couple days in, someone broke into the car, and the first thing they did was they broke this beautiful tail light. So yeah, I bought a new tail light set. They should be coming in any day now. I'm so excited to actually have those installed, and I'll have those out to you guys. I'll show you how to install them and how they look, and yeah, I'm pretty stoked. So it is new. You guys are in for a treat. I'm gonna fire this baby up. So guys, that's the exhaust. It's fucking beefy in person. It's got a nice snap to it. I think it has a lot of potential. It's just kind of straight piped with a resonator. It's not really anything too fancy or special, but I definitely want to bring the pipes up about an inch. So that's kind of goals for the future. I just want to get the car up and running. It still needs a shit ton of parts. A lot of work needs to be done to it. I need to still put in new sway bar links. I still got to do the brakes. The emergency brake needs to be done, and so forth. And don't even get me started on the interior. So it's got no radio. I need to find a decent radio for it. I looked at retrofits, maybe not so much. When it comes down to it, the car is a project, and like all projects, it's a slow process and a good time coming together. And I'm very, very excited to show you guys and let you see how this actually evolves into a real project. I'm super excited to see what this can be and what kind of power gains we can throw into this. Maybe even a potential engine swap in the future. I just love the body of the car so much. The German engine is with the transmission is just torquey as all hell. I also know that I need to drop the oil pan on the engine as well and get that re-sealed up so there's no leaking, because it looks like it's leaking. And on top of that, I still need to do a valve cover gasket on the passenger side. But when I'm at that, I'm thinking I'm gonna clean up the valve covers and just do both sides at once, get it done and over with, don't have to worry about it anymore. It is hitting almost 200,000 kilometers, which is getting kind of high and kind of scary for those cars. So I know in the near future, it might do the typical LS swap. I looked at that, doing a 6-liter with a turbo with a T56 transmission, but then I thought, well, what about a Hemi? But we'll see about that. That is in a long haul future, a couple years from now. We're just gonna take the project step by step, and I'm very excited to see you guys watch it evolve with me, watch it taste and develop, go from absolute shit, mismatched body panels and not painted to possibly painted and looking nice, good stance, good ride, take it to shows, cruises, and just have a grand old time with everyone. And that's more to come on Valiant. So until then, guys, please remember to subscribe, like, comment below. I'm really open to any suggestions you guys want to see in the future. If you want to contact me, you can contact me through Instagram, Twitter. I don't have Facebook set up. I probably will do that in the near foreseeable future. But other than that, you can reach me on those 2 platforms, and I promise I'll get back to you guys as soon as possible. Until then, Valiant out.